Today we're going to talk about tables, massage tables, the difference between the portable table and the difference between the adjustable table with power. So here we have the Strong Light. So normally, typically when you guys get these tables, you're going to get them out the bag and they're going to be locked. You're going to unlock here. Here you have the two holes on both sides, which will give you for the face cradle. As you open up these tables here, they're going to have the information about the table. It's also going to have the weight of the table, depending on the type of table you have, whether it's Strong Light, Earth Light, Oak Works. There's numerous tables on the market. So with these tables here, typically what I like to do is extend it, make the adjustment on the heights. And as you can see here, just show you a close-up of the adjustments that are used. A lot of the tables will come with legs like this, with the holes, and then you have the screws to put in. So here we just tighten it up. Some will have one, some will have two. And I just like to, while I have the table on the side, position one side the way I want it. Now to get these tables up is a little tricky. Kind of have to use your body, get behind it, and flip it up like here. And then this is where you go to the other sides and you make the adjustments that you need. So if I'm making the adjustments based on the levels that I have two showing here, and then I would come here and change this so that I have two showing. So I'll take this off here. So with these tables, the portable tables that you would be carrying to your client's home, for the most part, this adjustment you would be making based on the height of your client. If I got to make the adjustments on this side, quick second here. So based on the height of your client, the size of your client, you'll be making these adjustments with the table height. Keep in mind, the higher the table is, the more you're gonna have to make adjustments with your treatment as far as your arm length or the distance from your client's body to you applying pressure. So what I like to do is make sure that regardless of the size of my client, I kind of like to have the table down maybe one notch from the recommended table height level for your client. So as you guys remember, the table height level is knuckles, kind of like at the mid portion of your knuckles here is the proper table height level for you to do the work. So these portable tables are great. As you can see, the cushion, you got about a 2-inch to 3-inch cushion. It's firm, allows you to press down on the table, and it's perfect to get started with your massage career. The way you pick these tables are based on the width of the table and the length. So typically you'll have 72 inches from top to bottom, and then from the width, it can be anywhere from 32 even out to 36. So just if you're picking a new table, be wise of what you want as far as your clientele base. But if you're getting a used table, just pick what you can so that you can use it until you get yourself a new table. So this is portable setup. Again, we're taking it down here. Once you're finished, legs go in. And then for the most part, these tables come with a bag and you can lift. So the weight on this, I would say, is definitely in the 30s. 32, 34 is a lot heavier. Get here, the lighter the table is, depending on which table, what brand you get, they do make them with the legs, which would be like an aloe structure on the base, which makes the table a lot lighter. All right. So this is portable table setup. Great to get your career started in massage therapy.